Hello friends, this is Bramesh, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the coming two trading sessions because 16th and 17th are very important astro dates. So I'm expecting some volatility to come back into the market. But first, let's see what is happening now. Mostly the trend of the market is, it opens gap up or gap down, and then it technically goes in a sideways zone. The VIX has come below 16, so it suggests that the market can remain sideways. And it generally happens whenever the market, if you can see here, it is sustaining above 18,000 after almost a year. You know, so if I just draw a line, so this was the lifetime high. You can see here it has been sustaining above this zone 18,351, 18,000. If you draw a line almost at around 18,000, you'll see that market is taking a lot of time to you know absorb the supply which will come around that zone. So 18,000 is psychological level. See, last many trading sessions were not able to sustain about. This time it has sustained about for more than one, two, three, four, around eight trading sessions. It has never happened before. So basically, it is taking this time to absorb the supply which is coming because metals, I mean, IT is performing, metals are performing, banking can take a breather now. So the sector churning will go on and the markets will, keep consolidating until it is above 18,000. The trend is basically buy on dips. Now, having said that, so what is happening in intraday? Now, intraday, the most important thing is the market will remain sideways if it goes like this. So basically, what you can do is, and there is an important astro cycle of Jupiter and Saturn, which are the two largest planets of the solar system, and they are basically called as outer planet. And whenever something happens with them, it takes 2 3 days for market to adjust to the new because it generally brings long-term change, which we'll discuss in the later part of this video. So what you can do now is this is the indicator which we have again intraday BTA, and it gives you a very good indication. So basically above this green line you have to go long, below this red you have to short, in between just stay put. So it was consolidating close below the red line. You put blue line as your stop loss and you can trade your trade, and it did the first target and again, so you got multiple opportunity, but at least you were not long on this day. And similarly, if I check for Bank Nifty, and the same kind of story is repeating here also. It didn't sustain above the green line again, and from there below red line it go give you multiple opportunities and took a you can get a good sell trade. And what are the I'll quickly show you the important astro times also which I'm seeing for tomorrow. So first one important time is around 10:05, and then we have at 11:20, and then we have at 1:30, and then 2:55. These are four timings which you can watch out for tomorrow. So now let's quickly see what is happening with the market. So we have some important thing, Jupiter and 40 degree to Saturn. Now Jupiter, I mean, we have important aspects like 0, 180, 90, 120 degrees, which are called as hard and soft aspect. But Jupiter and Saturn, these are the two biggest planet of the solar system, and they generally bring long-term trend change because Jupiter is for banking and Saturn is for any sector which involves a lot of hard work, basically steel, iron, which is backbone of any economy. So whenever some aspect is formed, you can see some good long-term trend change. But having said that, these are outer planets. Outer planets means they move very slowly. So Jupiter and Saturn, one cycle is of 20 years, right? So it will take some time for these things to come into effect. That is why whenever these any aspects between Jupiter and Saturn, it takes 2 3 days for market to adjust to the new reality, and then it shows its true color. So if I come here, I go to aspects, and I've already applied Jupiter 40 degree to Saturn. I do minus plus calculate. This aspect forms once in a year or something, so it is forming now. Last time it formed somewhere around this time. See here, it consolidated, it came down for 2 3 sessions, made a major bottom after 3 4 days, and from there a good rally came. Like I told you, these are outer planet, doesn't like anything which Mercury and Venus can show its effect immediately, but when it comes to Jupiter, Saturn, it takes few days for market to adjust to the new reality. Let's take one more example, and you can see here these doesn't happen. So see, again, see here again, this days 2 3 days it made a bottom, this never closed below this low, and from there a good rally came in. So this is one thing. So I expect like next 2 3 days to be like that, at least next 1 or 2 days to be like this, and Bank Nifty is form an inside bar pattern also. And second important thing is Mercury distance to the earth is maximum. Now, whenever this also happens, I have seen based on my backtesting, market generally goes in kind of sideways zone. See here, it went here 2 3 days sideways, and then a big rally came in. So, we can expect us kind of see again small ranges, and then after 3 4 days a good rally came in. Again, see here 2 3 days did nothing within a range, and then it did a breakout or a breakdown. Again 3 4 days, see, it was just totally sideways, and then so market has given opportunities for buyers to make money, option buyers. So now option sellers will also get it chances. So yeah, so that's about it. These were the two important astro events. So now what I'm watching out for, this is the inside bar which Bank Nifty has formed. So basically above today's high, which is 41,231, you can go long. 42, 364, 497, 613, 7, these are targets on upside. And if it breaks 41, 965, then again we have these targets on downside. Like I've said in a lot of my previous videos, the trend is basically buy on dips till it doesn't close below this moving average below 41,000. Yes, it's a difference of almost 1,000 points. Now to catch up, the market might go in sideways, and this moving average will catch up, and then it will make its next move. But the trend, try to buy dips. One day you will go wrong, definitely, that is for sure, where you will take a loss. But eventually these all, till that trend change doesn't come, you can easily expect some good moves to be captured on upside. And similarly, if I look for Nifty also, Nifty has not done anything major, but if I see here, till 18,135 is not broken. This is the monthly slab, and 18,351 is the Jan high. So Jan highs play a very important role. It needs to close above this 350. Then again, you can see a move towards all-time high of 18,604, which I think should happen within 1.5 weeks. We should go and touch that particular level, provided we are holding 18,135 on a closing basis, which is the monthly trend chain level for Nifty. And similarly for Bank Nifty, we have 41,525, the monthly trend change level. So yeah, so that's about it. So market can remain in kind of sideways zone. Don't be extremely bullish or bearish in the market till 41,900 is held in Bank Nifty. The market trend is on upside. Once it is broken, we can see this gap filling all the way towards 41,614 odd levels. And Nifty 18,351, once it closes above it, then we can quickly see a move towards 18,604, which was all-time high. Now for Nifty, yeah, one more thing is, one, as you can see here, I'll go to the musical index. This is the bottom. uh, 1 minute touch, yeah. So 18,6, no, not 604, it should be 18,595. Yeah, 18,595 is this point, which is a musical octave resistance zone. And if I also see at Gan angle, come down here, come here, let me just show you for Nifty, because that is a crucial resistance zone. So this is the zone where you should lighten off. You can see here, if you see this value here, this value, it will also come around 18,550 to 550 to 555. So 18,550 to 18,595 is a very crucial zone. Use this zone to lighten off your longs, and even if you want to book profit, if you're holding from below, you can definitely do that. So yeah, so this is how I mean what I'm seeing. And 16th and 7th, Mercury and Venus are going ingress, so which should bring short-term volatility back into the market. But till then, I think tomorrow we can again see a sideways move. 16th also sideways move, and probably on expiry day we can expect some fireworks. Let's see what market has in store. I have already updated the levels on the website, intraday and position levels, so watch out for them. And I've given you the intraday timings, and I wish you guys all the best. Thank you. Stay disciplined.